Well, now we're starting the Christmas part of my daughter's shopping haul at the secondhand stores. Okay, what about this one, Debbie? This beautiful floral arrangement.
Yeah, I thought for the money it was a great deal because there's a lot of greenery, a lot of berries and apples, and pretty bow, and I have a hard time with bows, so I really like that one. And this one was $4.98.
$4.98, guys. I thought that was pretty good, and I really think the base looks sort of like a Mackenzie Childs inspired piece, sort of. I don't know if we'd need to finish a little more paint on it or something, but it does have the same type of shape, don't you think?
Yeah. And for $5,
Yeah,
I don't have to do anything except, well, I gotta clean it. It's pretty dusty, but yeah, that'll be a really nice centerpiece for the
It will be a beautiful centerpiece.
table.
And I would have bought it too if I could have found it. And look, look how nice the berries are on it. Oh, aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, they're almost like a glass berry.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Yeah.
And then just look at all the detail work on here. So it was more than worth the money she spent. And like she said, she didn't have to go out and buy it. If you went out and bought all this stuff separately, even at the 99-cent store, you probably would have spent $20 or $30. I bet you.
Yeah, I don't know how much. It seems like there's a lot of greenery.
There's a lot of greenery, a lot of berries, a lot of things that you would have to pay extra for if you were buying them.
Yeah.
Okay, here's our others. This for a candle.
Yeah, and I was thinking there was two, but maybe there's just one in here. But anyways, that's fine. This one was $2.98, but I just love the apples and the pine cones.
Yeah, it really looks nice.
Kind of hard to see with the plastic. I didn't take it off yet, but
it wasn't bad. $3.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Got a nice candle on there.
And then for my soap dispenser, I got this Bath and Body cover, a soap dispenser cover from Bath and Body, and I don't remember how much they are on
Store.
in the store. I'm sure it wasn't $2. So.
And I like it. You can have it on one side. It has the tree. On the other side, you got the snowman. So you could really, with the tree, you could have it out almost year round. Because that wouldn't look seasonal at all. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It just shows a tree and two houses.
Yeah. And it looks brand new. So.
Yeah, it does. It doesn't look like anyone ever used it.
$1.98. So
deal.
that's good for Christmas. So then one other thing that I got, it's not Christmas related, but I found this for you, Mom, and it's for Easter.
Oh.
And there's a couple little imperfections, but I can get some paint and touch it up, but I thought it was so cute.
That may not be able to go outside. I may have to use it for my cozy corner or something.
Turn it so you can see inside with the light. Isn't that cute?
It's so cute. I love it. She's sitting on a little bench, isn't she? Looks like it. Sitting on a chair or a bench. She's sitting on something.
Yeah, I can't tell.
And then she's got like flowers right next to her or something.
because it's a flower shop.
Yeah.
So, and if you turn it around, there's another little area. I'll need to touch that. But the flowers themselves, look at, they're in really
Perfect.
good
That's why I'm not going to
condition.
put it outside. I'm going to leave it for the cozy corner.
Mhm.
Because it'll be better chance not to get dicked around, the kids getting around it and hitting it with something.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah,
they'll
look at
finish-
the little door.
Yeah, it's so cute.
So I thought, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And this was $1.98.
And I bet you would have spent $15, $20 if you bought it brand new in a store.
Yeah. So I thought, oh, that is so cute.
I love all the detail work on the flowers.
Mm-hmm.
It might even be a $30 item when you can look at all the detail work on the flowers. Because you pay a lot of extra money for stuff like that when you get detail work like that.
So I've been on the lookout for fairy stuff because you said you're having a hard time finding it. But even at the thrift store, they didn't have much. This is the only thing I found. So I got you that.
Thank you.
Then I have 3 items that did come from the Goodwill. So I did 2 different secondhand stores. Goodwill they have nice stuff, but sometimes I think their stuff is too expensive. So here's the first item.
Because we're trying to get some items picked up because we eventually want to do a nice French or a couple of French posts. Because I know a lot of my Tablescape people that I follow, they do a lot of French pieces, and I've never joined in because I didn't own enough to do anything. But we're working on it, right, Debbie?
Yep. And actually, my spare bedroom, I have quite a few fleur-de-lis things, and I was collecting fleur-de-lis even before you were doing this. So I just like the shape of it. So this one, I like it because it's got like the cut glass in here.
Oh, is that what's in there? Is cut glass?
It's like little pieces of glass.
Oh, see, I didn't even know that.
And this one's pretty heavy.
Yeah, I can't tell if it's picking up on the camera how nice it is. Oh, I do see it now at that angle. You can see the glass now. I guess you just have to, even though I'm here, you still have to get it at a right angle. Now you can see it perfect. Now you can see all the glass. Yeah. Okay, thank you, babe.
So this one was $9.99, but as I was saying earlier, I don't buy anything at the Goodwill unless it's on their sale, either 25% off, 50%, or 75%. I don't remember which one it was, but it was one of those. So, and they actually had a pair, and the lady was like, "Do you want both?" And I was like, "Oh, for that price, no. I just want one." I'm pretty cheap, so I just took the one. And then I really like this. This is a clock. It has Paris on it. And what I like about it is that, and this one says $9.99, but again, I don't know, because on theirs they have different colors, and all these two have white tags, so they're probably the same discount. Got them at the same time. But what I like about this is you can hang it,
Yeah.
or you can set it on the table because it has little legs.
Oh, okay.
So you can do both. And it's pretty dirty. I need to clean it, but
It is a beautiful piece, and we love that word Paris, don't we?
So this will look really nice in my she room. I don't know. It's a spare bedroom, but I took it over, and so it has all of my stuff in it. So it was my son's room, and now it's really girly looking. And I did that on purpose so he can't come back. And then this last one, it says $13.99 on here, but I'm almost positive that one was a half off, or 75%, because I would have not spent that. So,
But that is a really nice piece, and it would have been very expensive in the store.
yeah, and I like it because it has my fleur-de-lis on it. It's funny because I have a lot of these topiary trees. I keep buying them, but I just like this one a lot. So.
Yeah, you had two different ones in the living room, and I thought they were the same. That's how much I was paying attention.
So now this is my 5th one.
She has 5 of them, guys.
I mean, they're all different, but I like this one because of the fleur-de-lis.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. I like the way the base is on it, too, the shape of it.
Oh,
I like the shape. They did a nice job putting it together, though, too. Well, I hope you enjoyed her her shopping haul from the secondhand stores. We got a lot of things today, didn't we, Dad?
Yep. We got a lot to work with to put in a display.
So you're going to see lots of displays coming your way. We are really getting ready for Halloween and also Fall Festival. And so they're not all going to be Halloween. There will be plenty of fall decor. I have quite a bit of fall decor also, along with hers. And we both have massive amounts of Christmas. So you're going to be seeing lots and lots of things. And I'm so happy to know that eventually we're going to start doing some French ones too.
French country, yes.
French country. Doesn't that sound wonderful? I almost feel like something I'd like to just do a room in, French country. Sounds nice, doesn't it?
Yes, most
Well,
definitely.
That's all we have to share today. Hugs and kisses to all of you guys. If you're not already following, please think about it. Please give us a thumbs up. We love hearing from you, so please leave us a comment. If you liked it or didn't, we'd really want to know what you like. For we know what to do next time. Hugs and kisses. Any kisses from you, Debbie?
Bye-bye.
Oh, no kisses from Debbie, I guess, today. Just a bye. I'll see you later, guys. Take care.